Access limited to the flooded city of Derna in Libya, where the death toll has now surpassed 11,000. More than 10,000 people are unaccounted for. Officials say limiting the number of people in the city will make it easier for crews to dig through some of that wreckage. On Monday, heavy rainfall destroyed a pair of dams, washing away entire neighborhoods with no warning. The aid response has been slow and confusing as two opposing governments struggle to respond to people's needs. They're now warning that waterborne diseases could spread sickness, resulting in even more deaths.